In this video, I will show you how to find new working Uber Eats promo code. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over to your browser first and then just go right here to simplycodes.com. So they have in here some Uber Eats $25 off promo codes and coupons for November 2024, which is right now, and it's just recently updated. So we have in here this deal. Just click on this get deal option and this will be redirected to the Uber Eats wherein you should be able to redeem it. Now, alternatively, you can also just go right here again and you can see some more tips. Like you can get this right here. If you add a tip, the driver will deliver faster. You can save $24 with the Uber One membership, as well as a lot more under this case. You can also see in here a lot more about Uber Eats deals, and you can actually use it for anything that you want inside Uber. So that's how you find you working Uber Eats promo code. Hope we help.